Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update by 1000 Days Challenge. This is day 736, so let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, balance has dropped like I mentioned yesterday itself. I did close all the trades itself, I think 2 days ago. So this is the new balance update itself. Right, so there's one thing to take note, bear in mind. And then other than that, beyond that, what I would like to update is also the fact that in terms of the weekly closing itself, we do see a very nice weekly close for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So both of which close with a green candlestick itself. And in addition to that, we also do see a very nice retest of the 20 exponential moving average on the weekly chart for both the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq throughout on the daily chart basis as well. So you can see the retest of the week over there testing very nicely over there. And similarly, we do see the price action retesting it over there just as well. So both of which are very both bullish sign itself. So definitely we could still be push towards the upside itself. In terms of clear resistance wise, what I do potentially look at the 0.61 Fibonacci retracement level, which currently coincide near the 0.50 simple moving average on the weekly chart on the S&P 500 also the Nasdaq itself. So probably will be a little bit lower than that, but yeah, it'll be where my target is in terms of the bullish bounce on the next target itself. And if you look in the ASH itself, we definitely do have a very nice bounce in terms of that. And if you look in terms of the Fibonacci retracement level on a significance level wise, then similarly, we also have bounced from 0.61 Fibonacci retracement level. So similarly, this is a very good bullish sign, especially if we do break out towards the upside when the coming week ahead. So that's a very first good sign. And then moving on over the KWEB itself, over here we also bounce off from the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. So to me, this is a good sign as well. Similarly, we are clearly forming a higher low as of this moment in time. No doubt we could still go on the lower yet to break this low, then in which case lead towards further bearish momentum. But bearing in mind that as long as we do maintain below here, we could still see some sort of bearish momentum towards even to here itself, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and still remain technically bullish overall in that sense. All right, and then finally for Bitcoin itself, for the daily chart itself, it'll be very interesting to see how this weekend will close, because right now we have a currency hanging just above the 20 exponential moving average. 200 simple moving average on the weekly chart itself. Definitely, we do want it to close above it for the second week consecutive, showing signs of strength. But we do close below it itself, not exactly bearish as well, simply because if you see that the momentum is actually reducing over the past 5 weeks itself. So there is signs of a potential reversal. So even if we do close barely below it, then I'm not entirely bearish, especially you can see the volume isn't very high, even though we have only one day and 21 hours to go. But if we have a very strong break towards the downside, we close here near the 20K mark, especially below the low of here, then yes, definitely if it's a bearish engulfing candlestick, I'll lean towards more bearish momentum, especially if the volume was to pick up. But over the weekend, the chances of the strong volume pickup is less likely in that sense. Alright, otherwise that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.